Crystal skies, crowded places, lonely faces, howling wind. In those eyes, desperation, hesitation for the wind. Running from the darkness of the night, you'll be shining past.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. DOSH, the DOSH app, people. If you haven't got the app yet, download the app right now. Link a debit card to the app so you can start generating you some money, people, on a weekly basis. So let me just show you what I did with DOSH so far. Let's go. Let's get out of this. Right now I got $60 in my wallet. But and that's just in 2 days, people. In one day I got $30. So I got 10, 20, 30, ooh, 40. Oh, I got $40. Excuse me. Yeah, that's 10, 20, 30, 40. $40 in one day with DOSH, and another 10, 20, so 60 bucks in 2 days. And the same day I withdraw $638, people, and then that's in a couple of weeks. That's probably like 2 weeks of work. But DOSH, free money, free app. And once you get the app, only thing you have to do is just come get your referral code. Get your referral code. Copy this referral code. Copy it and share everywhere or anywhere. You say anywhere, but share it everywhere and anywhere, so you can be able to see these $5 on a daily basis. You know, it's definitely extra money you can pay a phone bill with. Not saying you can pay rent, but you can definitely, you know, your extra petty cash. So, you know what I'm saying, hopefully y'all found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright, peace.